Hey, how you doing? Jeff Amen here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I've got a tip for you here. If you would like to go ahead and share with three, this is a very simple way to get pretty much instantaneous traffic. And all we're going to do is we're going to use Facebook groups. Now, we certainly don't want to go to groups where you would be posting affiliate links and they would consider it spamming. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for groups that are built specifically for advertising your own business. So there are a ton of groups out here in Facebook that were built just for posting opportunities, posting training, posting content about the online business world. And so here are just a few here. As you can see, this is suggested for me by Facebook. And these are some groups that I haven't joined yet that I will join. But as you can see, 87,000 members and 1.6 thousand posts a day. Guys, these are huge groups. There are a lot of people in these groups. So it's very easy to get three referrals if you use these advertising groups. So let's just go ahead and go to a group that I'm already in, and I'll show you exactly how this works. All right, so check this out here. This is how easy it is to do this. All right, so we're in a group here, an advertising group that's built just for advertising your business. As you can see, advertise your business here, promote your business. And what we're going to do is we're simply going to grab our referral URL from the share page, and we come here and we can paste it right there, and automatically the way this is set up, an image is going to show up. So you don't have to go create your own image post or anything like that. All you got to do is paste your link, and then you can even delete your link right there, and then you just push post. And as you can see, that link is set up. I just shared the link in this advertising group, and if you click it, guess what? It's going to go to the opt-in page where you can easily get three referrals. So this is the easiest, hands down, the easiest way to get three referrals if you want to go this route. Simply, and I'll put some different key terms that you can search for, but advertise your business here, post your business opportunity. All these types of groups are groups that you can join, and then you can come and you can post your referral link and easily get three referrals. That way you don't need to pay the $7 if you want to go that route. If you just want to do it the super simple way, I guarantee it's the best $7 that you're ever going to spend, because this is information that literally helped me quit my job, work from home full time. But if you'd like to share, this is absolutely the easiest way to go. You simply go to Facebook, you find some advertising groups that are built specifically for advertising, and all you got to do is go put in your link, copy and paste. The image will automatically come up. You can then delete that. You push post, and as you can see, you've got a advertisement out there, guys, that people will click on, people will join. You'll get your three referrals, and you can get access for free. So hope this helps. You can use this method for any affiliate program that you're currently promoting, in the future. All right, have a good one.